Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including the GuideStone retirement planning tool, are down in the description below for your convenience. This review reflects my personal experience using the tool. Join me as we delve into the GuideStone retirement planning tool, exploring its features, ideal users, and my first-hand experience with it. This tool is primarily designed for individuals seeking to harmonize their retirement investments with their faith-based principles, providing a faith-driven approach to financial planning. It's particularly well-suited for those seeking guidance on building a secure retirement while adhering to specific ethical or religious investment guidelines. A key strength of the GuideStone retirement planning tool is its user-friendly interface. This intuitive platform allows users to easily assess their retirement objectives, input relevant financial data, and project their future retirement income. It considers a comprehensive range of factors, from current savings and anticipated Social Security benefits to projected retirement expenses and investment growth projections. The tool excels at generating easily digestible reports and visuals that clearly illustrate your retirement readiness, enabling you to quickly grasp your current situation and identify any necessary adjustments. GuideStone is an excellent choice for conservative investors or those who prioritize ethical investing. Their investment funds undergo a rigorous screening process to exclude investments that clash with certain moral values. This makes it a compelling option for individuals seeking assurance that their retirement portfolio aligns with their deeply held beliefs. Furthermore, the platform provides access to financial advisors who can offer personalized guidance, a valuable feature for those who prefer professional support over a completely do-it-yourself approach. The tool's flexible planning capabilities empower you to run various scenarios and understand the impact of different decisions, such as modifying your retirement age or adjusting your savings rate, on your financial future. It also emphasizes tax efficiency and long-term growth strategies specifically designed for conservative investors. The GuideStone retirement planning tool is an ideal fit for individuals who not only want to plan for retirement but also wish to do so with a focus on ethical investments and faith-based guidance. If aligning your financial life with your values is important to you, GuideStone's planning tool could be an excellent solution. Be sure to check out the links in the description below if you'd like to learn more.